Hi, we are covering a different site today. This is a remodel of an existing property. So all this pillar detailing, in the cornice detailing, we have given a lot of work in the elevation because we are moving this house to a very Parisian kind of house wherein the base is white color and then we have black windows and black doors coming in between. In the living room, we have given a little bit of fireplace. We have added this because there needs to be some authenticity in the room. I really think I should thank my clients who actually give us an opportunity and the time and the freedom for us to do all of these. The trenches were not random. Every design is carefully selected. Even the ceiling, for example, that patch, I think we did discussions on this for weeks together to finalize all the small detailings that have come all over the site. This is the actual foyer area of the space, the one that you see after you walk in. We've done beautiful inlay again of black marquina on the white marble. This is the landing space. If you see the lift cladding is also absolutely fantastic. We've done inlay inside as well on the floor. This is the dining area. Again, for the dining area, we have made it like a stage by adding blue a little bit in the corner. Sometimes you always have the good things of the old home that you want to keep. All these kind of details which are probably very difficult to do. This is a 30 or 40-year-old home. So we are retaining all these, we are polishing it up nicely and beautifully. We are retaining all the windows. The kitchen was originally very small, so we have expanded it. We have got rid of a lot of walls, moved a lot of things, and we were able to make this space. Again, just the detailing is just extremely on point. You really need to see the island that comes up in this place. I don't want to spoil it as of now. This is the twins room. We have planned a very beautiful cloud setup and all of that. This is a landing area between the floors. Here we have done a little bit interesting floor. We have white, Vietnam white running all over in the property. We picked up a little bit of black marquina and just locked it inside this. And we're planning to give a very nice beautiful chandelier, and we've given that metal as well in the round. And then we are also doing a very lovely artwork on this wall. This is the master bedroom. Instead of pushing the bed to a wall, we have made it a center stage. We are planning to put a nice glass chandelier here, which is in circular motion as well. We have the walk-in closet there, a very beautiful one that's coming up. And then we have the limestone here, followed by the leather panel. This is a heavily detailed room. We have the curved panel for the TV area. This is the master washroom. My favorite Rosso Levanto is here. This is the beautiful terrace. We are doing a lot of work here. We have a seating space followed by a lot of greenery. We have a jacuzzi coming up here with the tiles and the accent and the pebbles, all the works. We have a fireplace here. We have a barbecue station there. Every single detail in the project, including the outside external elevation, for example, these claddings, etc. We took a lot of time in detailing it out, just making sure that it's the right amount, not high and not less.